2015 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter V8. We got factory converters there, total of 4. Then it comes true dual already from the factory, then into a single muffler, single tailpipe. We cut it off and ran CARVEN R series. As you guys can see right there, part number CVESR 25s. There. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back. You guys always remember to clear these brake lines right here. So make sure they run them like this off the side of the tire, because those brake lines, we've ran them before on top and they melted the brake lines when it goes down. We had a lot of clearance, but it still melted them. So make sure you guys always have them clear these brake lines. Anyways, so out the back on each side, there and there, 2 1/4 into 4-inch black roll tips to complete the look, because he's going to murder it all out, make it all black. So it's clean. There's the factory muffler that was on it right there. Dual in, single out with a 3-inch tailpipe. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Well, let's raise our subscriber count up, please, if you guys don't mind. So if you're watching this video, please subscribe. We really appreciate it. Thank you. See, when you're really gone, it pops, you know? Toyota Tundra, CARVEN R's. Again, right at 111. You really get on it. But if you get on it a little bit, just a little bit, yeah. 107, 105. Go ahead and back it out. He's been watching our channel for a few months, deciding what he wanted done, and then he saw these videos and made him decide on this, which I think is a good choice because he didn't want it too loud. Perfect. It's nicely set up too. Really clean. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Toyota Tundra. They make fun of me for saying Toyota. I think it's supposed to be said Toyota. I'm gonna stick to Yoda. Yoda. Why you guys gotta always make fun of me? Very nice. Yeah, but there you go. Enjoy, guys.